I'm facing difficult to pronounce your name,
Yogendra.
Yogendra. Okay, because I
Yeah.
don't want to mispronounce your name. So how are you?
Okay, yeah, I'm good. What about you?
Yeah, I'm as fit as Fidel. Thank you so much for asking me. Okay,
Okay.
so since we are connecting first time, may I know something about you?
Yes, of course. I'm Yogandra Kumar. I'm from Uttar Pradesh. I did graduation BCA. My hobbies are reading books, talking with strangers, and exploring new things. That is my short introduction.
Okay, okay, that's good.
Yes. So I'd like to know
So,
about you a little.
sorry.
I would like to know about you a little bit.
Okay. So my name is Rimpi Chakravarti. I come from West Bengal. I'm a homemaker. I'm blessed with one child and simultaneously I'm a part-time YouTuber. That's it. This is my short introduction. So
Yes.
why are you in this platform?
Yeah, actually, so that I can practice English speaking.
Okay. So what's
Yes.
your upcoming dream? What do you do in future?
Yeah, I will do, in professional career, I will do MCA, and as well as I will teach students, and that is my goal and ambition.
Okay. You wanna teach student.
Yes.
You want to become a teacher.
Yes, I and learners also can be a teacher.
Yes.
Yes.
A good learner can be
So
a good teacher.
yes. So yes, go ahead if you have any question.
Okay. So how long have you been learning this language?
Yeah, it's been at the beginning 5 till, so it's been 4 years. During lockdown, I started learning basic things, and then I started, and I came on these applications in the next year, in the last year,
The,
in I think in June or July.
the last day, June or July. Okay, that's good. So
Yes.
how many session have you conducted so far?
Yeah, I don't remember exactly, but I think 100 plus.
100%. Do you run on your own channel?
Yes, I am running my own channel.
Okay, that's good.
But I have also watched your video on YouTube.
Maybe I also watch your videos on YouTube. If
Of course,
I,
you should. Yeah, you might have.
yeah,
Actually, I think I watched your video when you used to interact with tutors on on English,
English.
Yari.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes. Most of the learner
So,
they watches my those videos with Nanda Kumar sir,
yeah.
and
So
those
I'd like to
sessions.
know about that application. That you know, please tell me your experience.
Yeah, actually, it has been 6 months to me having used this application. But nowadays, I can say that I don't have enough knowledge regarding that application. When I yes, when I took subscription at that time, I paid 5,000 for a 20 session, and right now I can't say anything regarding this application
So could you tell
because
me
I'm
about
no
your
longer
experience?
a
Actually, yeah, you
user of
have
this.
impacted. You have taken 25, 22 sessions. So how was that applications for you? And did that applications helpful? Helped you, and was that helpful for you?
Yes, 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 definitely. Those sessions are really helpful for learners. Yeah, if you join that application, because when we interact with co-learners, sometimes I don't know the right word, and if we are make any kind of mistake while speaking, we don't. If we know that here you are making mistake or I am making mistake, but we don't interrupt each other. That no, ma'am, here you are making mistake, and I can say that you. Sorry, I can't pronounce your name. It's quite difficult for me to pronounce your
Yogen,
name.
I
Yeah,
I don't think it is very difficult. I don't think it is very difficult. Yogendra, it's very simple. Yeah,
Yogendra.
that's okay.
Yogendra. Okay. Yeah. What's the short nickname?
Yeah, you can call me
Could you
Yogi.
Yogi? Okay, Yogi. Yeah, it will be perfect.
Yeah.
I can call you Yogi. So, Yogi, if you make any kind of mistake, I can say, I can say to you directly that Yogi, here you are making mistake. But when you conduct session with tutor, they can catch your mistake and they say that here you are making mistake. Instead of using this word, you should use this way. So, while conducting
Actually, ma'am,
session,
yeah, I would like to say something. Actually, I took a, trial session. I think in August or in September. I don't remember the exactly the time. So at that time, I interacted with the tutors, and she was lady, and I interacted with her, for 30 minutes. So at that time, I thought that she just pulling me down. Actually, yeah, it's okay to correct. I love to, if anyone correct me that I'm speaking English wrong.
anyone
So,
correct? Yes,
too much. If you correct too much to anyone, that means you are pulling down. You are, pulling your leg. So I think I felt that, so that's why I didn't buy that course. So what about
okay.
your opinion?
You took demo session.
Yes, I took demonstration.
Okay, at that time, yes, but every teacher's teaching method is unique.
Okay.
Yes, but yes,
Essentially, I have watched your videos with,
and
old, man. Yeah,
Nandakumar
around.
sir.
Yes. So, did you like did you like that person? And actually, I have watched and I have seen your videos with, with him a lot.
Yes, yes, he is very famous. Yeah, yeah, I really like his teaching method. His main intention is when a beginner, join that application. His main intention is I want you to speak. I want you
Yeah.
to, yes, I want you to speak. That, but it is his intention that anyway, whether you are making mistake or you are fumbling, you are not getting that right. He doesn't say anything to you, but he just always guide you, always help you. He always
Actually,
speak
here, ma'am,
you out, that
I
help
think
you
that
out.
yeah, I think here that I'm interacting with you. So at the end of conversation, you should recommend me that you are doing this mistake and you did that mistakes. And if I'm, talking to you and I'm speaking, and while you start, stops me and interrupt me and started telling that you are making mistakes, so that means I think it's become irritating, right?
Yes, yes, it becomes irritating.
Yes.
And even that, if someone interrupting you at the middle of the conversation, what happened if your second sentence will be perfect, but you are unable to express your thought and
Yeah.
your idea? The reason is your mind will stuck there. Oh, in that time, in my I have made mistake in my first sentence. Maybe my second sentence, I also in my second sentence I'm going to make mistake
Okay.
there.
So should I,
If someone
yeah.
interrupt you in the middle of
Okay.
conversation, so that's why even I don't like these things. I always say that tutor whenever I
Yeah.
conduct session, okay sir, if sir or ma'am, if I make any kind of mistake, please don't interrupt me in the middle of the conversation.
Actually, sometimes I think that, some people abuse their, label, their, position.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So,
Even
ma'am, I would like
not only expert tutor, not only expert tutor. I have seen that some no some person, some YouTuber, they are also do the same thing.
yes, right. So here I'd like to know that should I buy this English CRE course or not?
It's I can't say anything to you. It's up to you. The ball is in your pocket, so the
But
decision is
actually,
your. I can't say anything.
you have experienced, 25 lessons. So that's why I'm asking. Simply, if you suggest me that, yeah, you should buy or you should not. Yeah, you are living on me. That's okay. In that, but you should recommend. Then after that, I will take my own decision.
No, no, as you told me that you watched my videos. with the sir. So what after watching my videos, what did you feel?
Yeah, it was okay. I felt okay that he was helping you and interacting with you politely and gently and suggesting you. So it was okay. So I want to know your opinion. I actually at that time I thought that if I meet if I meet with you to you that I definitely I will ask.
Yeah, definitely. Now where is your level? So you can join that application, no issue. But a beginner who is very beginner, who started his journey, he's speaking, he is in initial stage. So I don't recommend him to join that application because
Okay.
his
So
money will be going to be drained.
yes. So here you are making 2 points that one which initial point. So one which initial point he or her and want to speak English. So what they should do at the beginning?
Okay. At the beginning, there are lots of nowadays there are lots of resources available. So if he or she is interested to learn this language, definitely he can watch that kind of videos in order to improve his communication skill. He can read kids book. Kids books really helpful for us. Not especially who is very beginner, and there are lots of resources. I don't think that these days it's quite very tough or it's quite very challenging to learn this language. Whereas in if I talk about 10 years in before lockdown, it was very tough and very challenging to learn this language, but these days I don't think so it's very tough or it's quite challenging. So
Okay.
there are lots
So
of
when did
resources.
you yes, okay. So I would like to know your journey that when you started learning these skills and at the you know why you learned this skill speaking.
Yes, I really like this language since my childhood. And yeah, and as I told you, in earlier times we didn't get that much facilities, but these days there are lots of facilities available, lots of resources are available in order to learn this language, and it's a very good platform where we can show our talent, show where we can show our skills.
Okay, so it was your childhood wish that you wanted to learn English. So that's why you learned English. Oh, that's okay. So after learning is speaking skills, that so where do you think you get new opportunities and potential you know opportunities? Did you
After
unblock any new opportunities?
if I talk about that, to be honest, it's not possible for me to get to work outside. Yes, but I can say that nowadays social media is a very good platform where we can enhance our skill, and definitely I will try to do something
Okay.
in future.
Yes, of course. So you are a housewife, and how many children are there? And do you have
I have only one child, one son.
one? Okay. So what does your husband do?
He works in private sector.
He's a private. Yeah, he works in private sector. Okay, and you are running a YouTube channel, right? Yeah, that's very great. So, ma'am, I have a lot of questions, but actually, I don't have much time to ask. So, if you have any questions, so feel free to ask.
No, I don't have any other question. you, I we already we raised lots of question regarding learners, and then yes, we raised a lots of questions. So yeah, definitely uh, when we will meet again, definitely we will discuss some new topic.
Okay, okay. So here I would like to, know your opinion that where should I improve my spoken English? That you should recommend me something.
No, actually, yeah, it would be better if you ask this question to a expert person. There are lots of expert in this platform. It would be better if you ask that question to a expert, because for me, I am also learner, I'm very beginner and I'm working on my communication skill, and I don't have that much capability, or I don't have the right to judge someone.
Okay, thank you. So, okay, may I know your name? Actually, you I have not mentioned your name.
Okay, my name is Rimpi Chakravarti.
Okay, Simpi Chakravarti,
Rimpi. RIM.
Rimpi Chakravarti. Okay, so okay, nice to meet you.
Yeah, yeah. Bye.
Okay, so I'd like to, your permit. I need your permission, please. Can I upload this video on my channel or not?
Yes, yes. Yeah, sure. We both
Thank
can
you,
upload. We don't have any issue.
thank
Yeah.
you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for giving me permissions, and definitely I'd like to meet you again.
Yeah, yeah. Yes.
Okay, nice to meet you. Have a nice day.
Yes, yes. Bye.